Hi guys, so I just packaging को चल मैं खोलने जा रही हूँ. So by the time I'm opening it, you can like the video already and subscribe to my channel, and also you can guess what's there inside the package. Okay, you'll be seeing now. Yay! It's MacBook Air. Hope you like the video. Thanks. So yeah guys, this is unboxing video of MacBook Air M1 chip. So let's read it. It's 8 GB unified memory, 256 GB SSD. So I took 256 GB because I'll be adding extra SSD from outside using my hub. Then this is 13-inch MacBook Air with Apple M1 chip. So M1 chip is new. It came in September 2020, and the reviews are really amazing. So here I'll be telling you some of the facts that I have seen in some of the articles, based on which I actually bought the M1 chip MacBook Air. So here they are. The introduction of M1 chipset is set to a big chapter in Apple's history, as it marks company's departure from Intel processor-based chipset for laptops and desktops. In the benchmarks, we see M1 MacBook Air achieving 2190 megabytes per second write speed and 2675 megabytes per second read speeds. The M1 chip's storage controller and latest flash technology delivers up to 2 times faster SSD performance, so previewing massive images or importing large files is faster than ever. So here right in front of you, you are seeing the Apple side from where I actually ordered the MacBook. So here you have 2 variants, and in each you have 3 colors: space gray, gold and silver. So here are all the specifications. I have bought the one which is in the left, which has 8 core CPU, 7 core GPU, 256 GB storage, which is SSD. Then it is M1 chip, of course, and then it is Retina display with True Tone, and trust me guys, it's amazing. And then Magic Keyboard, Touch ID, Force Touch trackpad, and 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. And so this is kind of a drawback. So they have only 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports. So for that I have bought the USB hub for other kinds of ports. Yeah. When I was looking for a MacBook, I went through all the available MacBooks. I had a budget and I decided to buy the bestest laptop in that budget. So this laptop is originally of 90 to 93,000 rupees, but I got student discount using my university ID card. So using that I got a discount of about 8 to 10,000. So this was pretty good deal, and the reviews are really amazing. I bought it in space gray color. So before buying it, I went to the stores and I actually used it. Like I went to Chroma, Reliance Digital and everywhere, and I got my hands on this product, and then I ordered it online. Yay! And it's booting for the first time, and it came in with a sound which was really good. Okay, the backlit is already open, and yay! So yeah, this is my laptop. I got it brand new from Apple. This is M1 chip. So I'll create a review video of this product. I guess 1 week review video, and I'll share it soon.